The beams node creates a set of orthogonal beams along the arcs and stringers. The arcs and stringers collections are retrieved from the model. A single function is then used to generate the beams. The function has a number of parameters to adjust the size of the beam, the offset distance, and the name of the collection. If say insert the terminate after the arcs, we will see only the arc beams. We can also show only the stringer beams. Let's have a look at some of the parameters. We will start with the collection name. The two sets of beams have collections with different names. This parameter allows us to specify that name. If we add some text to this name, we can see that the collection names also get updated. Next we can try the size parameter. This parameter controls the size of the cross-section. Let's generate a 1.6 meter deep beam. Next, we will look at the offset parameter. This is the distance that the beam gets offset from the center line. If we increase the offset to over 3 meters, we will be able to see the impact. Next we will look inside the beam function to get a sense of what it does. The first thing the function does is create a cross-section polyline that will be used with the sweep operation. We can zoom in on the little cross-sections by selecting them and then clicking the zoom button. A clone of each arc polyline is created. The offset parameter is used to offset the beam a certain distance. The sweep operation is then used to sweep the cross-section along the offset polyline. A collection is created for each beam. The beam is then added to the parent collection. And the count is incremented by 1. The count is used in the naming of the collections for the individual beams. The number is added to the end of the name. An attribute is added for the beam length. The length is calculated based on the length of the polyline.